How to turn off Discord notification sound. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off Discord notification sound. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Discord. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. So open up your Discord, let this load, and while this load, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button. So there we go. Now, after you're on your Discord, head over to this gear icon on the bottom left, tap on the user settings. After you do that, scroll down. There you'll find your notifications option. You can head over there, and after you're there, you can find your sound option. So, right here, you'll see the sounds section. Under here, you'll find all of these different sounds. So, if you're not sure what sound it is, you can tap on this volume icon to find out the sound as well. So if that's the sound, you can turn this off. And you can do the same for all of these as well. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, guys. That is how you turn off notification for sounds and Discord. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.